Hey guys, at the Steel Green booth, nice surprise here. They've made an electric ride-on spreader sprayer, so something we've been waiting on for a while. I'm not sure if we would use it for our smaller properties, but very cool. I'm going to find out more here in a second and let you guys know, but that was definitely a surprise, and you know, I've been looking for one of these for a few years, so it's good to see. It's a Steel Green prototype.
Yeah, this is about 20.
What was it? About 20 grand?
Yeah, I'd say so.
So that, I think the price is maybe about 20 grand.
Or probably like 4,500 more than a gas one, but
okay.
I would expect it to get better as time goes on.
Sure. Do you know that? I mean, obviously runtime is probably not going to be a factor. This thing will run all day, no issues, or?
Right now they're estimating around a 6 to 8 hour runtime, but we do have some more room for some more battery packs as well.
Sure. So this is a very early stage. Do you have any idea when this is actually going to be a real thing?
I mean, I'm sure it'd be 4 to 5 months before you could even get a reliable amount of batteries, just because the packs are new, hydro gear and whatnot, and it'll be a little while still. And there's lots of things here we just kind of did for the show, like you can see a lot of the wiring and stuff like that, which none of that will be visible. Or this little shield, we just put the shield there so we don't touch it, but we're gonna have a little shield like that. We'll make sure we encase everything as best we can from the chemical and all that good stuff.
Sure. No, that's great. Yeah, no, it's a nice little prototype. It's awesome. Let me do that. I'm taking it for a ride. Yeah, let's go 120 pound hopper, I believe. Okay, and 30 gallon tanks.